Today I'm going to be talking about Utah floods that occurred in 2015. This video was created by Una Riggs and Callie Swafford for MEA 100. A low-pressure system in Mexico generated a tropical storm on September 5, 2015. The tropical storm progressed into a Category 3 hurricane named Hurricane Linda due to warm ocean temperatures and low to moderate vertical wind shears. The hurricane did not directly hit land, but it caused heavy rainfall and thunderstorms in the southwestern United States on September 14, 2015. Here is a photo showing the storm as it hit the city of Hilldale in Utah, and here is a figure showing the frequency of flooding events that occurred in Utah from 1996 to 2017. Washington County, Utah experiences 1 to 2 flash floods per year. High variations in topography and lack of vegetation caused rainfall to gain velocity and power in steep, narrow canyons in upstream areas and severely flood downstream areas in a short amount of time. The flooding in 2015 was considered a 100-year flood event in Utah. 1.5 inches of rain fell within 30 minutes. Short Creek in Washington County rose 3.41 feet by 3:18 p.m. and to 5.36 feet by 5:05 p.m. Stream velocity in Zion National Park increased from 55 cubic feet per second to 2,630 cubic feet per second in just 15 minutes. Here is a video showing some of the flash flooding that occurred on Swift Creek on September 14, 2015. Societal and economic impacts. 2 SUVs carrying 13 children and 3 women was swept into Swift Creek in Hilldale, Utah. Only 3 children survived. 7 hikers in Zion National Park were drowned and died in slot canyons. Estimated 20 deaths due to the flooding on September 14, 2015. Washington County public property damages were about $750,000. And bridges and roads were left impaired throughout the region for multiple days. Here are some photos showing the wreckage that occurred in Swift Creek and killed the women and children. So the response to the flooding in 2015 included $1.5 million in emergency funds to construct a 100-foot bridge across flooded wash, culverts to be created, and canals to be created near Swift Creek. $670,000 from Utah's Permanent Community Impact Fund Board was granted to the city of Hilldale for construction of rainfall retention ponds to prevent future flooding. The city of Hilldale joined FEMA flood insurance in 2016, and Zion National Park policy has not changed. It currently only issues flash flood warnings to hikers and users of the park after rainfall begins. Citations used are listed here.